What's most incredible about their relationship is that both of them, they want mostly for it to be about God.
I'm certain our relationship was joined by someone who has loved us before we ever loved another. And with that, I have faith our love story will be one of a kind.
On a Sunday morning last October, you sent me a text with 2 Hebrew words that you didn't know, Ezer Kenegdo. Not only did I know what they meant, I had been asking God to confirm if those very words embodied who you were for me.
Let me encourage both of you to remember that your future success is to be found in Jesus alone. Continually practice mutual consideration and patience, kindness, confidence, and affection.
Even when we were miles away and states apart, your love had no borders. Before I met you, I wrote a letter to my future husband, who I didn't know at the time. Or at least I didn't know he was you. Here's that letter, and I want you to have it.
For the next 6 months, we visited each other as often as possible. Our relationship grew over text, phone calls, and FaceTime. On most days, you were on my 4.7-inch, 12-megapixel girlfriend.
I love you. They're beautiful. You're absolutely beautiful.
There were days when I felt so alone, sad, and unhopeful, but then I would think of you. I didn't know you at the time, but now I do. I believed you were worth waiting for, even though I didn't even know your name.
Yes, I love that. We are no longer pursuing maybe, but we say yes to each other. I will always gladly face uncertainty with you by my side, leaning into God's grace and understanding.
So as I step out of this single life I live now and join you in what God said was one of His greatest gifts, my promise is yours. I will love you for all the days of my life. I will honor you, trust you, submit to you, and pour all of my love into God and you. You are my design and the husband that was made to complete me. You are the one I've prayed for, hoped for, and waited for.
Today we stand before our families to declare our love. My love is only for you, always for you. We are holding hands, no longer holding phones. You are my full-size, full-resolution bride.
I am so overwhelmed with emotion that God would be so faithful to me as a sinner and blessing me with you as my husband. I give you my hand, my heart, and my life from now until the end.
Today we promise to go the distance. Our most anticipated countdown has reached 0. You are the woman I've prayed for, your sweet man forever. Wesley Hiley. P.S. You're hot.
You're the one, I knew it from the start,
It is the duty of both of you to find the greatest joy in keeping Jesus as your focus. To remember that in both interest and affection, you are to be one and undivided.
We could stay right here and run around the earth. You just say that word. Oh, and I will follow you, and I'll keep staying true. When the sun is up and when the day is through, where I wanna go is where I'm with you.
Promising to you first and allowing God to always be in the center and the focus of us. I will be open and honest with you even when we go through difficult times. I will trust you, value you, and never give up on you.
I promise to thank God for you I promise to pray for you and to pray with you. I will strive to bring out the best in you, even in the worst situations. I will seek to lead you in God's will, encouraging you to love Him more with each day.
And I will follow you, and I'll keep staying true when the sun is up or when the day is through. Where I wanna
Wesley,
go is
you may kiss your
where
bride.
I'm with you.
I will challenge you and help you to lead with a purpose. I promise to inspire you, laugh with you, comfort you, and to love you.
Yes, I'll keep staying true.
Everything I have and all that I am is yours. I will be your best friend, your partner, and your attentive leader.
And I will follow you, and I'll keep staying true when the sun is up or when the day is through. Where I wanna go is where I'm with you.
I will always remember that you are the woman I've prayed for.